Hi everyone, this is Ravi Gupta. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So today we are going to discuss this Java basic concept, that is OOPS concept. So in OOPS concept we have four different concepts. Basically, I will say four different concepts. That is inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstractions. So I will say a little about all of the four concepts here, and then I will create one Java project, and I will show you how we can implement those features in our project. So here is the inheritance. So inheritance is something which explain the relation between the parent and child class. So whatever the properties of the parent class is present, the child class inherits those properties. So inheritance uh, is a concept that applies between the parent and child class, and by default all the parent class variables methods are accessible by the child class. So that is inheritance. We'll come to the encapsulation. So encapsulation is something where we can bind the data and the behavior. So the class is a classic example of encapsulation, where we can put both of the things, the variables or the data, as well as the methods that are accessing those variables. So class is an example of encapsulation. Polymorphism. So polymorphism is a concept where we can say that one object can achieve more than one goal, or we can say that we can achieve like one function can achieve more than one functionality or more than one work. So that is the concept of polymorphism. In Java we have two types of polymorphism. Basically, one is compile time polymorphism, another is runtime polymorphism. And in compile time polymorphism, it is also called as a method overloading, and this runtime polymorphism is also called as a method overriding. Okay, I will explain those concept, how we can implement the polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance in the project. Okay, so we'll move to the next concept, that is abstraction. So abstraction is something which tells us about how we can abstract the inner working of the things. Like example, I will take this example from the Java world. So the method inside the Java is a classic example of abstractions. So like we create one method, and inside that method we have written some of the codes that the method works like, and whenever we are calling that method inside the main method, so in main method we can only see that the signature of the calling method, but its implementation is not being shown there in the main method. So we can say that whenever we are calling the method inside the main method, so its inner implementation is not been seen there. So we can hide those inner implementation. So that is how we can achieve the abstraction using the method. Even we have some more concept like interface and abstract class, which helps in achieving the abstraction in Java. Okay, so in the next video I will tell you how we can create those project and how we can implement this concept there. Thanks.